North Carolina gets most of its severe weather during the spring, but by the month of June, storms start to shift out west. So I decided to see for myself and fly to Texas to chase a severe weather outbreak. 6 hours after I landed, I was watching thunderstorms develop, and shortly after, the Storm Prediction Center in San Angelo, Texas, issued the first tornado warning of the day. So I drove in to investigate. All right, guys, and this is tornado warned. We have a tornado. Uh-oh. That was hail, wasn't it? Oh, big lightning strike. It's hard to tell from the video, but these storms were spinning like a top. Look at this getting kicked up in the inflow. I came so close to seeing a tornado, but this time it didn't happen. After the chase, I met up with a few old friends, including Reed Timmer from the Discovery Channel, and his Dominators, which are designed to drive into tornadoes for scientific research. This was a storm we were chasing as the sun set that evening. The next day, I chased another storm near Dallas, which dropped the biggest hail I've ever seen. Well, I had to run out to grab them. Here's a couple big old hailstones. From the middle of Texas, Max Claypool, Storm Team 9.